Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Arctic King portable air conditioner is not cooling as smoothly as before or airflow suddenly feels weaker, cleaning the filter might help more than you think. Sometimes the Arctic King portable air conditioner starts collecting dust inside the filter without people noticing, while other times cooling performance slowly changes over time. Since a dirty filter can affect airflow and overall performance, learning the right way to clean it can make everything feel much smoother. The best part is that cleaning the filter on an Arctic King portable air conditioner is usually simple and only takes a few careful steps. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to clean the filter on an Arctic King portable air conditioner. Try these. Step 1. Turn off and unplug the Arctic King portable air conditioner before removing the filter safely. Step 2. Locate the filter panel on the Arctic King portable air conditioner and open it carefully. Step 3. Remove the filter from the Arctic King portable air conditioner gently without bending it. Step 4. Rinse the filter from the Arctic King portable air conditioner carefully if dust buildup looks noticeable. Step 5. Let the filter from the Arctic King portable air conditioner dry completely before reinstalling it. Step 6. Place the filter back into the Arctic King portable air conditioner and confirm airflow feels normal again.